Hi friend, good evening. Today I'm going to tell you about this FM200 fire suppression system. So I'm going to tell you about this system. Fire suppression, FM200 fire suppression system is a clean and non-electric conducting and we can say a environment friendly system. So in this system it is applicable on it is for class A fire, class B fire, class C, that is a live electrical equipment fire. So on these three fire we can use this suppression system, and the area where we generally use this fire suppression system is the CPU room, UPS room, battery room, transformer room, and we can say that data center room and communication room, telecommunication room. These are the some area where generally we use this system. As we know, this system, this gas inside this is HFC, heptafluoropropane 22227EA, chemically known, and in the gas inside this is carbon, fluorine and propane. So these three gas make this system very neat and clean. Why I'm saying this and that it is a clean suppression system, because it didn't it will not going to leave any residue after suppressing the fire. Generally we see the pre-action system and water suppression system, it will damage the area where it is serving. The high value material will damage through water. So this is dry system, and no need to be worried. It is very good fire suppression system. So I can tell you about this. Here, this is the cylinder, we can see, and the weight of this cylinder is 433 kg, in which gas weight is 262 kg and tar weight is 171 kg. Here we can see this is the pressure gauge, and the releasing pressure, operating pressure of this system is about 360 psi, that is 28.6 bar. See, the pressure is showing here from 0 to 700 psi. Now it is on green line, it means the pressure is 360 psi. And here we can see this is low pressure switch, and it is connected to the low pressure switch module. See, this is discharge pressure switch, and it is connected here with DSP, discharge pressure switch module. Now this is the solenoid valve pre-discharge. We can say that this is the pre-discharge solenoid valve or impulse valve operator, we can say, and it is connected to the impulse release module. Friend, actually I want to tell you that this fire suppression system is generally very quick. It will suppress the fire within 10 seconds, that the gas will release and it will reach to the fire within 10 seconds. So it is so quick system and very neat and clean system, fire suppression system. And this is the pipe which is through which the gas will release from here, this impulse module, and it will move to this pipe from this cylinder toward the serving area for where we generally install this cylinder. So you can see here is the bigger cylinder, see, and the installation is same as like of this I told you. So see, and this weight, total gross weight is 584.2 kg. So So these are you can say that are some important basic things that generally we should do. So we can say that the selector size is generally come in 40 pound to maximum 1000 pound, and the gas filling capacity is from minimum 22 pound, that is 10 kg, to maximum 1000 pound, that is 53 to 53 kg. And valve discharge size will be 32 mm to ATM. These are the some basic concept, basic installation thing that I explain you. Now if you like my video, then please like it and subscribe my channel, Fire Protection 24/7. Thank you.